Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to show where you can find the VIN number or VIN numbers on a Hyundai Sonata. Right? We have a VIN number. It's right here on the door panel, or inside the door panel. Okay. And then we have one right here, just under the glass. That's the second one. Another one down here in the engine bay. On this vehicle, it's right here on the left side, and it's etched here in the metal there. And we come around back, we happen to have another one. It's on the trunk, and there may be one inside under the driver or passenger seat, so that you can identify all your VIN numbers to make sure it's what you want.